Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert transparent text box in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop-down menu, then create a blank slide, then go to Insert menu and insert a text box. Now draw the text box. Now you can write anything or paste anything this text box. I paste my title. Now select this text box and go to shape format. Now click this shape fill and click this no fill. Now again select this shape text box. Now go to shape format and click this shape outline drop down menu and click no outline. Now you can see I insert a transparent text box very easily. Now I check this text box are transparent or not. Select this slide, go to insert menu and click this shapes drop down menu and insert a rectangle shape. Now select this shape and go to shape format menu and click this shape backward. Now you can see that this text box are transparent. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.